The most hyped investments of the last 2 years have an average return of negative 12%. Meanwhile, 7 specific assets nobody is posting about are quietly making people rich right now. You've probably heard of some of them. You almost certainly don't own any of them yet. And every single day you don't own these, someone else is quietly building the life you want. In the next 10 minutes, I'll break down all 7. What they are, who's already using them, how much you need to start, and why the people building real wealth in 2026. The problem isn't that people don't want to build wealth, it's that every system teaching them how has a conflict of interest. Social media rewards exciting, dramatic, shareable content. Quiet, boring assets that actually build wealth are none of those things. So the content you see most is optimized for attention, not accuracy. And your entire investment strategy gets shaped by that without you noticing. The result? 64% of Americans have less than $1,000 in investment assets, while a small, quiet group builds generational wealth using tools most people scroll right past. The biggest wealth gap in America isn't between people who earn differently. It's between people who own assets and people who don't. An asset puts money in your pocket every month whether you work or not. A liability takes money out. Most people own mostly liabilities. But here's what nobody mentions about the 7 assets on today's list. Most of them are accessible to anyone at any income level right now. The barrier isn't money, it's awareness. The people quietly getting rich in 2026 don't have better salaries than you. They have a different list of things they own. But before I give you the full list, I need to show you the one psychological wall that stops most people from owning a single asset, even when they can easily afford to. It's called action paralysis. The gap between knowing you should invest and feeling ready to invest. That feeling of readiness never arrives on its own. You have to start before you feel ready, every time. The 7 assets I'm about to show you were chosen specifically because they don't require you to be ready. Here is the uncomfortable truth about wealth in 2026. The assets quietly making the most people rich are the least exciting things you've ever heard. There is an inverse relationship between how exciting an investment sounds and how reliably it builds wealth. Warren Buffett said his investment strategy is so boring that if he explained it at a party, people would walk away to find someone more interesting. Psychologists call this effort justification bias. We believe things that are harder to understand must be more valuable. Complex investments feel smarter. Simple ones feel like we're missing something. This bias is why people buy complex products while ignoring simple portfolios that have quietly outperformed many professionals over decades. In 2024, more than 90% of actively managed funds underperformed the S&P 500 index. The wealth gap in 2026 is not between smart investors and average ones. It's between patient investors and impatient ones. That's the whole game. With that locked in, here are the 7 assets. Who's using them, what they actually return, and how you start. You don't need all 7. You need 1. Own 1, understand it, then add the next. Asset 1, the Total Market Index Fund. The single most proven wealth-building tool in the history of ordinary people with ordinary incomes. $300 a month, started at $25, grows to over $1 million by 6.5 at historical average returns, without picking a single stock. The reason most people still don't own this is simple. It's too simple. The brain doesn't trust anything this straightforward with something this important. Asset 2, Treasury Bills. The most boring, safest, and most overlooked asset on this list. Right now, Treasury Bills are quietly paying returns that outperform what many Americans earn from their entire investment portfolio. You can buy them directly from the government with a small starting amount. No complex strategy, no special expertise. Asset 3, digital real estate, websites, newsletters, and online tools that generate income while you sleep. Small niche websites regularly sell for 30 to 40 times their monthly revenue, the same way investors value rental properties. You don't need to build one. You can buy existing income-producing websites the same way real estate investors buy rental properties. Asset 4, royalties, money that arrives every time someone uses something you created once, potentially years ago. A single well-placed stock photo can continue generating income for years from one afternoon of work. Asset 5, cash-flowing micro-businesses, laundromats, vending machines, ATMs, car washes, and other boring businesses that quietly generate cash every month. The average well-placed vending machine earns several $100s per month. Most owners don't stop at one. They own multiple machines that quietly generate income. These businesses aren't exciting. That's exactly why they're attractive. Most people never even consider them. Asset 6, packaged expertise. Knowledge you already have, packaged once and sold repeatedly. You already own the raw material. Years of experience, skills, mistakes, and lessons that other people would gladly pay to learn faster. An online course built once to continue generating sales long after the work is finished. That's the power of packaged expertise. Templates, systems, and digital products allow knowledge to be sold repeatedly without recreating the work each time. In 2026, the market for packaged expertise has never been larger or easier to access. Asset 7, dividend reinvestment, one of the most powerful compounding systems available to ordinary investors. The only rule is simple: don't interrupt the machine. Let time do the work most people never give it the chance to do. The real power comes from allowing dividends to buy more ownership, which then generates even more dividends over time. And here is what ties all 7 together. The quietly wealthy don't rely on one source. They build multiple streams that eventually work together. The people getting quietly rich are not geniuses. They are not lucky. They simply made one decision. They chose to own assets instead of only earning income. Income pays your bills today. Assets pay your bills forever. The goal is to build enough assets that income becomes optional. The people using these assets aren't talking about them every day. They're not performing wealth. They're simply building it. You don't need all 7. You need one. Start with one. The barrier was never the money. It was knowing the list existed. Most people will never see this list. Now you have. And once you see it, it's very difficult to look at money the same way again. The opportunities were always there. Most people simply walk past them without realizing what they're looking at. If this changed how you think about money, subscribe. And before you watch another video, choose one asset and take the first step.